Jamaica is the birthplace of reggae music, a genre that has influenced cultures across the globe. Reggae emerged in the late 1960s, evolving from ska and rocksteady, and quickly became a voice for the oppressed. Bob Marley, often called the king of reggae, brought the genre to international fame with his powerful lyrics and distinctive sound. Marley's music not only entertained, but also spread messages of peace, love, and unity. Rastafarians often call Bob Marley the captain or skipper as a sign of respect for his leadership and influence in spreading Rastafarian beliefs through his music. These nicknames highlight his role as a guiding figure within the movement. What's your favourite Bob Marley song, or how has reggae music influenced you? I'd love to hear your stories in the comments.